What up, guys? It's Ashawnya, and I'm here with another video. This is a long overdue video. You would have just seen me post it, getting ready for this trip. But today is the actual day that we are going to see what's these shades that point you faces.
The hot girl summer.
It's looking like she got goggles, though. Anyway, stay tuned for when we get there in the house store. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Yes, y'all. Look. We packed to capacity almost, and they back there with the food, the ice cream, the rain light, you know what I mean? Everything, everyone, you know what I mean? Alright, so we made it, and we got greeted with a cold towel, and our temperatures got checked, you know, to make sure that we don't have, you know, a heightened temperature. But time to unpack. So what we're doing is unpacking the vehicle. We bought tons of food because the place doesn't come with food, so we can eat throughout the week. Hi y'all, so y'all already know we here, and it's time for a house tour, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is a beautiful house. As you can see, the nice big pool. Don't worry, the whole house tour will not be that fast. Alright, so slow down here. You see those patio chairs. Coming on inside, we have a hand sanitizing machine there, a mirror as soon as you come through the door for all the vain people who loves to see themselves. I'm just kidding. Okay, a bathroom here for some people who definitely would be coming and visit if anything. Then we have an exercise area and also an area with books and a library. You know, you can just come sit and enjoy reading if you do. Our very own Cafe, and she loves reading, so this is definitely a brilliant room for her. This is another bathroom here, but it's connected to a bedroom. It's not connected, but it's for the bedroom that you're gonna see coming up here shortly. That's the mirror there. Pretty bathroom. That's outside where we just were. This is the closet for that bedroom that you're seeing. Bedroom number 1. So as we come in, you see it's looking a lot tropical. Flat screen TV, 2 beds. Absolutely beautiful. So coming on down, back out through the hallway. At this point, I'm kind of fumbling because I'm new here, but I'm figuring it out. You know what I'm saying? So we go on into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is definitely pretty. Nice and tropical also. Let's turn the light on. Aha! So you can see these bathrooms, nice and tropical as well. A long mirror. You know, nice and spacious. Come on down. You see another mirror and a little poof that you can sit on. And here is the bath area. What is area, guys? Area. What's wrong with me? Okay, you can put some clothes in there. Alright, going on out. Let's cut them lights off. We don't pay these bills. I'm just kidding. Alright, coming on down. And in here, we have like an ironing board, an iron, and a sink if you want to wash your clothes, etc. We on vacation. Who does that? Anyway, moving on down to bedroom number 3. Wait for it. Look at the top of that, a bassinet kind of looking like thing. You know what I mean? The bed that's got the 4 poles, and then I don't know what I'm saying, but the mesh is absolutely romantic. Love that. And this is the view throughout here. There's actually something that leads you to the beach, a path. I'm gonna show you in later vlogs. Turn on this bathroom light coming here. Yes, this is the shower area. And then this also has a mirror. And then we have closet space as well. Look at the mat, nice and rippled. Absolutely beautiful. Cut them lights off. Yes. Out through the door. At this point, we're coming down into the dining room area. I keep saying area. And then this is the chef, one of the private chefs that we have. And then this is a little patio on the outside. This is downstairs still. I have not gone upstairs as yet. You guys gonna see it. There's actually a pathway there. This is what I'm pointing at right now, a pathway going along down that takes you to the beach. Again, I'm going to show you that in a later vlog. Nice pasture space next to the house. You can park your vehicles there, etc. Alright, look at Sissy there, so in the car, and a Tiffany little Wi-Fi. As she lands, she comes sure. Good Lord. Don't let the little Wi-Fi rest. As we come on along up, we're going upstairs now. So you're going to see the bedrooms and everything that's up here. So we walking and we walking and we walking. Yes. Okay, Shania, take a little look. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm panting. I'm telling you, like this whole store. Okay, we got a living room area. Yes, we got dining room table. We got bar proofs. I didn't even realize them yet. I'm actually been here for 2 days and this is the first time seeing it. Now I'm editing this video. If you look, this is the kitchen. Has a lot of space in terms of cupboards and everything. That's a gazebo. I'm gonna take you guys out there. Let's go. Boom. It's also another dining area because we actually ate out here at nighttime. You're gonna see all of it in vlogs to come. Just stay tuned. Nice area and a grill and everything. Some lounge chairs out on the lawn. If you look, they have a good set of lawn space over here too. Yes. You can come picnic if you want. You know what I mean? All right. I think that's enough. Heading on back into the house now. All right, back into the same kitchen that I was telling you have a lot of storage area. Oh, Lord. This is my favorite part of the house. This part here is absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at that view. Look at that view. Tell me that this is not vacation. Vacation. Okay, I'm done. I love out here. I love the chairs, the palm tree. You guys know I like palm trees. You know, this is my favorite palm tree out there. That is mine. This is my bedroom coming out. My bedroom. Yeah. Bedroom number 4. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely beautiful. You know, your girl got she products. Every single time she gonna have her products. This is through the window. Yes, this is what it looking like. I'm gonna take you into the bedroom, the bathroom. Yes. Turn them lights on. Okay. And we got a mirror here. There's only that one light, and I think it's pretty dark in there. It might not look it in the video, but I absolutely don't like the lighting. Thank God I brought along my ring light because I don't like the lighting. There's no light over my bath or whatnot. There is, but it's not working. So I'm gonna have to guess where to wash. Just kidding. I know where my body parts off. Cut them lights out. All right, we heading down the hall. Over here is a bathroom. Yes. You know, I've never even been in there. Anyway, coming on. This is Janelle's bedroom. This is bedroom number 5. Absolutely beautiful. Not as tropical. You know, she doesn't really like the color, so she definitely chose this. She was like, oh God, the rest is so colorful. That's the pathway to the beach I was talking about. You can't see it, but anyhow, you're going to see it in another vlog. Let's go on down. Let's see what is in that bathroom. Yes, this is the first tub I've seen since I've been touring the house. First tub. This is their mirror. They got some closet area. And we heading on out. Cut them lights out. Coming on down to the master bedroom. This is my mom's bedroom right here. Absolutely breathtaking. Bedroom number 6. We got a swan. And then we got a balcony. Look at that view. Vacation. That's the smell of vacation. They got some patio chairs here on the porch. Absolutely beautiful. Let's come on in. All right, so now we're going into my mama's room, the bathroom area. She has a vanity here, lots of cupboard space, and as we go down into the bathroom area, there's a double sink. We have a urinal. Is that a urinal? What is that, guys? Help me out in the comments. We also have a toilet. She has a shower, and not only does she have a shower, but she has a tub. So you have an option if you want to shower or if you actually want to bathe. So this is in her sink and a long mirror. I think it's super duper cute, if you ask me. I think I love in here the best. This is my favorite room, hands down. I think that's all the house. I don't think I missed any. But it's so big, you know. There's lots to be missed. So I'm going to help my mom finish unpack. And I'll definitely talk to you guys later. Peace. Guys, look. I don't know if I can get to catch it. There's a monkey. A monkey. The monkey running. Look at it. Look. Oh, good Lord. I heard that. They say don't go inside the house. That they say can be problems. Play looking at me. You're right. Look at it at night, y'all. It's looking nice. Yes, I did, except for the mommy's turning on the pool lights. Alright. The lighting in here is very limited, but it's dinner, so it's time to go get something to eat. Alright, so dinner is served. for all of us.
Wait, why? Oh, you know
If
that?
you look at it close, it is nice.
The hands that would have prepared the food, and I pray God that it would be nice to our palates. I pray, Father, that this time where we are a week together, Lord God, that you would protect us over us. I pray, Lord, that there would be no one that having any allergies to food, no one would get sick, and that we would enjoy ourselves together. I thank you for blessing us with the monies, Lord God, that we can come together and have a good time with each other. And I pray, Father, that in it all that you will get the glory and the honor. So we give you thanks, and I pray that you will bless this meal to our bodies in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, guys, say have a wonderful.
Alright, so this meal is chicken tempura, and it was prepared by our private chef that actually came with the villa. So yes. Alright, so let's taste.
Using small fork.
But I thought, you're right. You're right. Chicken tempura. It's tasty. Thank you. Now I have some coconut water. Wait, what was this dish?
Cheddar that we had. Cheddar and broccoli soup.
Oh, cheddar and broccoli soup. Hi. Hi. That's it is good. Thank you.
Well, it ain't the regular black that used to be black and something.
Alright, so everything's served. Alright, so dinner is served. I plated it myself. Now I'm going to tell you how it tastes. Take a look, chewy. Squash is good. I don't like ginger, but it tastes good. Broccoli. Thank you. You said this is lime what?
Lemon pie chiffon.
Right, lemon pie chiffon. Alright.
That's a difference. I've
So-
never felt something like that yet.
Well, we went in February for most
It's not bad.
It
tastes like
You're saying that it's
lemon with egg white.
when I get off and say,
And the texture is really
really
soft. Alright, y'all. So guess what? Even though I'm on vacation, I'm still working. I have 2 deliveries to do tomorrow, so I'm currently about to do one of those teas. But stay tuned. Currently have it on. This is the ASOT packet here. I'm burning it for a client. It is everybody christening the poop bunny for a snake for me. I'm about that life.
It is nice and warm. We should go get you some soup.
I think not. I'm actually gonna finish editing the video, so that's exactly what I'm upstairs doing. Bye, y'all. A peace. Okay, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe, rate, and comment. You can follow me on my social media at Ashawnya. It's all spelled the same way as the Ashawnya in my channel name. Today's post notification shout outs go to It's_Kiara and Cock of Denton. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and stay tuned for more vlogs on this channel. A peace. Ashawnya. Andale. Tell you what. My waistline hot like temper. Move up right down and center. My wine is an adventure with me.